Hey guys, Tech Mentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your iPad on the latest iOS version. Now, this is for any iPads that are newer with all screen here. So in order to turn it off, there's a couple things you can do. First way is by using the buttons, and then what we're going to do is you see the volume up, and then this Touch ID or the power or the lock button up here. You need to press and hold these two buttons at the same time, just like that, and it will activate this menu to slide to power off or to turn off your iPad. Now, if you can't get to press the volume up or the Touch ID at the same time, another way to do it is by going to your setting of your iPad and then go to General right here, and then you'll see there's the option for shutdown. If you click on that, it will also activate the menu where you can just slide to power off. Now, another method is if you have Siri enabled on the latest iOS 17 version, you can just say Siri power off and it will do it, or you can say, hey Siri, restart my iPad, and it'll also take that command and restart your iPad. So let's go ahead and turn it off and show you how to turn it back on. So when you're turning it off, give it about maybe 15 to 20 seconds to fully shut it down. It's going to be black. It might sometimes spin a little bit. And once the iPad is completely turned off, it's time to restart it or turn it back on. There's two different really ways to do that. First method is just holding this Touch ID or the power button, if you will. Just press and hold until you see the Apple logo appear. And as you can see here, it's restarting again. Now, if you can't get it to turn on just like that, another way to power it on is that if it shuts down, if you connect it to a power source like a charger, it will also initiate a power on or turn on. It's another method if that button somehow isn't working for you. And that's how you turn off or restart your iPad on the latest iOS version. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPad and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.